Are you experiencing hair thinning, bald patches, hair fall because of weak hair follicles, looking for a way to grow your hairlines, also promote hair growth to avoid stagnant hair growth, even struggling with alopecia? Then stay tuned. It adds volume to your hair. It prevents hair loss and balding, thinning hair. It fights against dandruff as a natural hair conditioner. It controls split ends, prevents premature graying, and also adds shine to your hair, stressing the hair follicle. Clove seed and the oil to make this deep conditioner for our hair growth. Should be enough for our hair, so I'm going to keep this one as First, I get my sieve in the kitchen. I sieve it. After that, I still sieve it using my wig cap because I really want to get all the residue out very smooth and creamy. When I use on my hair, I don't get any residue. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm going to use my wig cap to sieve this deep on my hair. So I'm going ahead to, you can see, it's coming out. And you cannot see those black chunky things anymore. So if you have a wig cap, it's better to use it. Papaya helps to regulate sebum that nourishes, strengthens, and protects your hair. The papaya fruit benefits your hair by stimulating collagen production, also strengthening the middle layer of the hair. It helps repair damaged hair and makes your hair strong and healthy. I've already pre-pulled my hair and shampooed my hair with black soap. Now I'm going ahead to apply this mask on my hair. I made it a lot, so I'm going to be very generous with it on my scalp and entire hair. It controls dandruff. Papaya fruit contains high amount of vitamin C and A, which aims in the removal of dead skin, encourages healthy cells, and nourishes the hair shaft. If you have noticed a tons of dead skin and dandruff, use papaya seed or papaya oil or the fruit as I'm doing now to remove dandruff, dead skin, and promote hair growth. That is the main reason or the main benefit why papaya fruit used as body scrub. It removes dead skin and glows your skin, and it has a lot of benefits when it comes to hair growth. It also conditions hair. It has been shown that papaya can remove buildup that may have formed on the scalp and hair, which could be causing dull, dry, and lifeless hair. Once that buildup is removed, the hair cuticle are able to open so that moisture and nutrients can be restored to the hair shaft. Papaya promotes hair growth. The folic acid and vitamin C both improve circulation through the body, including the scalp. The sebum that is produced nourishes, conditions, and protects the scalp, even the hair, providing a healthy environment for new growth. Dead skin and product buildup are two major problems when it comes to stagnant hair growth. When the pores of the scalp are clogged, they don't get the nutrients and moisture that is needed to produce sebum. When the pores of the scalp are clogged, they don't get the nutrients and moisture that is needed to produce sebum. And too much buildup and dead skin on the scalp can clog the pores, which can cause hair fall, dandruff, even brittle new growth. When your hair is growing, it doesn't grow in a nice way. The strands are not thick. It's because of the dead skin. The scalp is not getting to produce nice hair strands, if you understand what I'm saying. Papaya fruits can remove residue, including dirt and excess oil. If you are struggling with moisture, if your scalp produces too much sebum, this can also balance sebum for you if you are struggling with oil on your scalp. A quick recap. Papaya fruit add volume to your hair. It prevents hair loss and balding, thinning hair. It fights against dandruff as a natural hair conditioner. It controls split ends, prevents premature graying, and also adds shine to your hair, strengthening the hair follicles. You can see I didn't use any conditioner after this treatment. This is how I condition my hair because my hair is really soft. I feel good with my hair like this. I did not use any conditioner after this papaya fruit. I'm going ahead to cover my hair up for like 1 hour to visit doing other things. Leave this treatment on my hair for up to 1 hour. Then after that, I head straight into the shower to wash it out. I did my research that papaya fruit conditions the hair. Whenever I make a research and the result I get is against that research, I'll let you know, just like I did in my clove videos. It's really softening my hair. My hair is really moisturized. I did not need to condition using any conditioner apart from this one. Like, maybe I should keep on touching my hair, but no, I really have to wash my hair and move on to the next process. So after here, I used clove spray, aloe vera, and Indian hemp grease to moisturize my hair. Look at that shine. Look at the way how shiny my hair is. I have not felt this great in a long time using any remedy. And my coils, look at my coils were bouncing. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful to have you all here. As I'm recording this video, I have 1,740 subscribers. I'm so happy to have you. You are highly welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video or this movement. I will catch you up in my next video. Please don't forget to like, so that other sisters like you will be able to find this video and let it be helpful to all of us to grow our natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.